So this question is reshape data mute. So you're given a table and then you want to reshape to, from this one to this one. And then what you need to do is you want to know, this is a column, and then it becomes, you know, uh, so from four column to one column. And then the product is going to be renamed, reused every single time for different quarters. And then the cells is going to be the value that inside this. Okay, let me just copy paste. It's a little bit straightforward. So let's see. So report equal to report.mute. So anyway, it's a method, and then ID vars is going to be list column. You're going to just using the product. So you are repeating using, and then the value vars is this guy. So it's a list. So you want to concatenate, and then it will become this column, but you want to rename. So you want to give a name, the the name to the quarter, and what's the value? The value should be this, right? The value should be this, and then it becomes a new column for what? For the cells, right? So this will be it. And then, cool. So that's it. All right. Hope you get it. See you later. Bye.